Ito sa fun experience, syempre kami ni Alfred and si McLean who's in the reserve had experience already. Pero for Dexter and Joseph, ito sa adjustment period, pero we had a lot of practices that we were able to impart on them na rin how 3x3 is. So thankfully, after the first few elimination games, naka-adjust kami sa second day and I think we played better. And thankfully, kasi, I think it's anyone's game kasi it's 10 minutes. Tapos so fast-paced. So we're just thankful that the results favored us until the finals at least.
Well, grabe naman kasi talaga yung pinakita nyo, diba, in that first leg. Now, Alfred, ikaw naman, worth it ba lahat ng pagod sa first leg na yun?
Oo, sobrang happy kami sa na-achieve namin yung first leg. Swerte kami na nakaiwas din na walang injury sa aming apat. At thankful na lang kami sa result kahit di namin nakuha yung championship.
Dex, nagulat ba kayo na undefeated kayo until the finals, or based on sa mga practice nyo, based on sa mga workout nyo together, was it something that, okay, we knew that we could do this and yan yung expectation namin? Sorry Dex, medyo choppy yung audio mo. We'll try to get that fixed in just a bit. Pero yeah, Tonino, we'll have you answer that question first. So again, undefeated before the finals. Expected ba yan para sa inyo?
Ano pa guys? Ano lang kami, game by game lang kami.
Yeah.
Every time na after ng matapos yung game, mag-uusap kami sa dugout. Tapos syempre, papasalamat kami kay Lord kasi mahirap yung 3-on-3 talagang hindi namin alam kung mananalo kami at any point of the game. So, hindi namin in-expect, pero yun yung una, ginol namin at least pang quarterfinals. Tapos nung nasa quarterfinals kami, syempre, we played well sa eliminations. So, parang we thought that we could reach semifinals at least. Tapos, nung nanalo kami sa semifinals, ayun, we just tried our best. Unfortunately, we came short sa finals, pero good enough na rin for first leg.
Na hopefully Dex's audio is okay. Dex, kamusta man yung feeling nung nasa finals nga kayo? Were you guys nervous? May pressure ba? Or was it all just pure adrenaline?
Pure adrenaline lang dahil dun na yung gusto naming manalo. Kasi hindi na namin iniisip yung pressure na malakas yung talk and text like that. Talagang bibigyan na namin yung best namin talaga sa finals and then short lang talaga.
Alam mo, Alfred, mabuti na lang na short turnaround between leg 1 at leg 2 kasi sigurado ako that you want to get back on the floor kaagad after falling short in the finals. What can the Meralco fans expect from yung 3x3 team ninyo, knowing that, okay, we now know yung level ng opposition natin, we now know how we can play and do better going to the next one. Ano yung expectations ng mga Meralco fans sa inyo?
Expect nila na gritty pa rin kami maglaro. Ibibigay namin 100% namin every game at hindi namin ipapahiya yung team namin.
Alright, and Tonino, looking at the competition that we've seen so far, you now know your opponents, you now know how they play. How confident are you that the next leg will probably be even more exciting, more tough to win, considering medyo sanay na lahat in terms of the 3x3 game?
Actually, sinabi nga ni Coach Pat sa amin yan na we should expect every leg to get harder kasi as we go on, nag-a-adjust talaga yung mga team. So, what we rely on siguro is our defense na lang kasi yun, pwedeng maging constant yun para sa amin and the way our team is made up, di ba? And wala lang, excited lang rin kami kasi ibang klaseng competition talaga itong PBA 3x3. I think it's the best talent sa Philippines sa 3x3 wise so far na I've played in. And excited lang kami na magkaroon ng chance na maglaro. And sana pala rin lang kami manalo, di ba? But we'll work hard for it.